do you even get started? Well, we have a solution for you, and that's the Getting Started bundle. Now, this bundle is going to include everything that you need to do the full process, start to finish, except your printer and your kiln. You will need those yourself. We can help you with the kiln if you need one of those. And for attending the webinar today, you can get 7% off of your Getting Started bundle if you use this code, I want FFF Metal. So as you choose the Getting Started bundle in the store, and during your checkout process, enter that code, you'll get 7% off your Getting Started bundle. But we're not stopping there. We offer a full FFF Metal 3D printing course. Now, this is a super deep dive on every aspect of the topic, going way further into the things that we talked about today and adding more design and part cleaning and post-processing to the end of it. Emerging technologies, we go much farther, much deeper into every aspect in this course. It's 7 sessions over 14 weeks. It starts this spring on February 29th. It's a leap year this year. It starts February 29th. For attending the webinar today, you can get 10% off of your course registration by entering code TVFFan24. And you'll see it's at courses@thevirtualfoundry.com. So take advantage of that offering to really understand the full metal 3D printing process. You can try to gather all the information in the various places that we have it, or you can talk to us directly, get all the information firsthand, work with us. We're going to send you a kit of materials for you to work through the process. It's like personal application development. Now, from there, more resources to help you get started. I've been talking a lot about the YouTube channel, and for good reason. We have a ton of videos on there. Take a look at the playlists. There is a how-to playlist, and this one will generally walk you in order through the process. It answers those other ancillary questions. How do I set up my filler warmer? What about those sintering powders? How much filament am I going to need for my part, etc. And it goes into some other topics as well. So rely on that YouTube channel as a resource. All of our podcasts are there, and there's also just a couple of other fun things on the YouTube channel. The Discord server, this is a cool spot for our partner innovators. That's what we call you, our customers, to come in and talk to each other about what you're up to, ask each other questions. The TVF team is in here as well, talking with you. So lots of good info in the Discord channel. So come here as well. You will find a link to that on our website on the community tab. We talked about the course. The Getting Started page is a great place to start. You're going to see the basics like we talked through here, the equipment that you need, basic printing settings, and then it's going to link you to pages with more information. And the Learn tabs. This is a great place to start on the website. I've mentioned this several times through the video today. The Learn tab is where you're going to go for all of your instructions. The Getting Started page that we just saw, the printing page, the debinding and sintering page, and also information about finishing your metal parts, which we really didn't cover in the webinar today. But basically, any process, polishing, brazing, welding that you are going to do to regular metal, you're going to do to these final parts as well. You can always write to us, and we encourage you to do so, info@thevirtualfoundry.com. We'd love to celebrate your successes with you. It's so fun to see your parts. All of you are doing wonderful creative things. So please show us what you're up to. We love that. We can certainly put together a consultation and training package specific to you and your needs. And then also another link to that compare and contrast FFF Metal is right here in the webinar, so you can find that one.